a code of single source shortest path, then you are able to write a code of A star algorithm. So first we go through the pseudocode. After that we have the time, then we can think about how to do a code. Okay, so I can describe with one example to how to write a pseudocode. Same thing, we have to create a queue, we have to create an open list, we have to create a closed list, then we have to search the adjacent node, we have to save with the current node, then compare the then we have to calculate the function f of n, g of n and h of n. On the basis of we have to take the decision. Same process. So first we can go for the graphical representations, then we can go for the pseudocode. Okay. So now see, I'm going to share my screen. So I hope the screen is visible to you. Yeah, it's visible. I hope it is visible. Na? Please, anyone reply. Okay. Now see, suppose what we have to do. Suppose a graph is given like this one. Suppose these all are the graph is given. Okay. This is the structure of graph. Suppose they are given. Okay. So this it may be like this one is given like this one, and the suppose I'm taking the name A. This is the name B, and this one is the name C. This name is a D and E and F. Okay, these things are given. Then what we have to do in A star? In A star, what we have to do? We have to maintain an open list. Okay, then we have to maintain a closed list. Okay, then we have to maintain a f of n. Then we have to maintain of g of n. Then we have to maintain of h of n. Then we have to calculate f of n is equal to g of n plus h of n. This equation we have to follow. So then we have to find out this one is the minimum among all f of n, whatever I am including, and we have to explore this one. Suppose this is the my goal state. This is my starting point, and suppose this is to achieve my goal state. This one is my goal state. To goal state, what we have to do, we have to explore each and every node. Suppose I can explore this node first, then I can explore this node first, then I can explore this of node first, then I have to calculate f of n of all of this node. Okay, on the basis of I can take the decision. So first node is a open, so I can put in the open list like a current node, so I can put in the current node. This is also possible, whatever the current. After exploring this node, we have to put at a closed node. So a starting point, this open list is empty, and this closed list is also empty. Okay, and from the starting of the point, f of n value is a 0, g of n value is a 0, and h of n value is a 0. Is it true? That means from the starting of your program, these three value f of n, g of n, and h of n should be 0. Then we have to explore one by one, and we have to maintain a queue data structure. We have to maintain a queue data structure with ascending order of f of n value. Is it true? Okay, so this way we have to write a code. The first we understand the pseudocode, then we try to write the code. So each and everything, whatever I mentioned here, we have to write in a pseudocode one by one. Now see, so this graph cannot be stored directly in the programming. So what should we have to follow? So we have two options. So we have to go for the matrix, or sometimes you can see go for the grid form. So these are the two types where we can store the graph in the form of the digit. Then how can write a matrix and grid? So now see, so we have to create a matrix like this one and putting like A, B, C and D. Okay, A, B, C and D. Suppose I can take only 4 letters A, B, C and D. Suppose in the graph A, B, C, D, E, F, so we can follow. And here we can write also A, B, C and D. Now here I am creating the row and column. Okay, these all are stored at the grid form and matrix form, row and column. Now, so how to fill up? From A to A, the value is 0. There is no path. From A to B, yes. So I can put 1. There is a direct path is available. So I can put 1. A to C, yes, direct path is available. I can put 1. A to D, yes, direct path is available. This is good. Then B to A, yes. B to B, 0. B to C, yes. B to D, if there is no path, so we can put 0 or infinity, both. Okay. So better chance we have to put infinity. There is no part. If there is a both same this one, so if those node having same value, you can put 0 0. Okay. So now C to A, yes. C to B, yes. C to C, 0, and C to D, infinity. D to A, yes. D to B, infinity. D to C, infinity, and D to D, 0. So this way we have to create a grid, or we can say that this will be the matrix. So this way we have to create, or we can say that this is a two-dimensional. So I can put like this one. Yes or no? So this way we have to write this one. So our aim is everything I can clear about, and you know how the A star algorithm is work. Then we have to put inside a code with the help of syntax, with the help of variable, with the help of function. Okay, Khushbu, if you okay, those who want to go for the placement talk, please leave. Okay, so that is important. Okay, so now see. So this way we have to write a code. Now, as you know how A star algorithm is work, and we also know that the A star, we can also know that A star is the optimal and complete by default. This one is the optimal and complete. This is the optimal and complete. Okay, that is okay. So now, so we have to, I'm going to write a pseudo code of this algorithm. Then you try to develop the code. So I am going to write a pseudo algorithm. Then we have to write a code. Okay, because you guys are final year students. Then at least I know the ESTL algorithm is very big. It will take too much time to write this code. But try at least once. If it is possible to write a code or not. Okay. So now, so I am going to create a one, and also we have to store a path. So that purpose we have to write a function. So I am going to create a function. And we have to writing a reconstruct. That means regarding the path. So this one. So this one. So this one I'm creating a path for reconstruction. Reconstruct underscore path. Reconstruct underscore path is equal to what we are going to close. This is the closed list. Closed list. We can say that, or current value. Whatever the value, and put into the closed list. Okay, as you know. And after that, I am going to calculate a total path. Total path is equal to your current value. Whatever the value of your node, that is a current path. Then I am going to write a while current in closed key, while your current in closed list dot key. That means whatever you are putting the close, that is your key. Then we have to put current is equal to, we have to assign a closed list like current. Okay. Then we have to return total path. Then we have to return a total path. Now see, what is the meaning of this line? This one. So this one is a 1 and this one is a 1. Okay. So now see, after exploring this one, then we have to put the closed list. This one is the put inside the closed list. And after this, we have to reach there. That is the current path, and put this one is the current path. Current path or in a closed list. Suppose this will is assigned the closed list, though, so that is also in a closed, then that means it can be explored like this one also. Is it clear? Now see. So after this, we have to calculate the heuristic value h of n, estimate cost to reach the goal state for node. For that purpose, I am going to create a function. So I am going to create a function. So I am writing, changing my color. Function for function for a star, and it will be from the start, and this will be the for goal. We have to goal, and this will be the heuristic value. Okay. So the set we have to discover the node that may need to be expanded, or initially with the start node is no, and this is a usual implementation. We can set as a minimum heap type. So here I'm writing open set is equal to your start. Is equal to your start. Now, after that, we have to map with the closed form. So I am writing the from n node, the immediate preceding node, we have to keep it fast, then we have to start. So we have to put, sorry, this one is the closed list will be an empty map. That means the first time this will be empty closed list. And after that, suppose I am calculating the G score like this one. Suppose there is a no path, so I am calculating G score is equal to, that is map with default value of infinity. Default value of infinity. Now, so I can explain this line, how can I explain this one. So now see, suppose this one is a tree, and suppose this one, okay, D, A, B, and C. From C to D, we have to mark as an infinity. Okay. From B to D, we have marked as an infinity. From A to B, we have a mark as an infinity, because we don't know how much cost to required to reach D and how much cost required to B. So that one we have to calculate, where G is a actual cost from start to n node. भाई स्टार्ट नोड से दैट जो भी हमारा नेक्स्ट नोड होता है वहां तक ही तो वैल्यू होती है ना. सो यही हमारा, इसीलिए हम लोग से इन्फिनिटी पुट कर दिया. सो स्टार्टिंग दैट इज एम्प्टी. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव स्टार्ट विथ जी स्कोर. So we can go for, we can go for G score of start is equal to 0. Now, how understand G score of start? So from A to A value equal to 0, na? From A to A value 0, so I can put A0. Is it clear? Sure. So we can go for next one. Same as I am putting, like suppose when in the first position, I am in the first position. So what is the value function calculating? F of n is equal to g of n plus h of n. So g of n is a 0. So this is getting h of n. That means f of n is value is equal to g of n. Yes or no? So after this, what I'm going to write, same process I'm going to write. I'm repeating the this state same. I'm repeating the this state same for the F score. So F score, sorry. So F score is same. I'm repeating map with default value of infinity, and we can start F score of start is equal to h star. Whatever the value of function now from this one, this for this line is written for this purpose. Okay, is it clear? I think most of them are feeling bored. Don't worry. So I have to finish this. So after this, after writing all the things, so I have to write a open list is not empty. Then what we have to do? Then we have to go into the selection all of the things. So I am going to write while what I'm going to write, while open list, that means the open set is not empty. It is not empty. When open list is not empty, that means we have to perform the operation. So we have to, what we have to do? We have to do current is equal to the node in open set, the node in open set having the lowest F score, F score value. So now whatever the value of this one, whatever the value, whatever I can exploring, I have to calculate f of n value for the both one. Then which one is the lowest? For that purpose I am writing this line. Okay. So if, then we have to write if current is equal to goal, if current is equal to goal, then return reconstruct path. So that is the first function. Suppose you have to reach that, you have to write the first function, return path. That means we have to put into the closed set and current value. That again will be start repeating. Okay. So after this, we have to remove. We have to remove from that queue. So we have to writing open set dot remove from current. So we have to remove from the current, and for each neighbor of current we have to write a calculating the tentative G score. So I am writing for each neighbor of current, so we have to calculate the score. So I am calculating a score is equal to G score of current plus G score of the current plus the distance from current to neighbor. Okay. So this one is a calculated. And then we have to write the next code, that means we have to complete, and this is the minimum or not. So for this one, I am writing, okay, if tentative score is equal to, if tentative score or G score is equal to G score not equal to less than so of neighbor. Okay, here I am writing the, here using the score, so I am writing the score. Okay, score underscore G score less than. Then we have to calculate. So we have to store better than which one previous one. So we have to go for the calculation. So we have to write close list of neighbor is equal to current and G score of neighbor is equal to, sorry, score, and I am calculating F score of neighbor is equal to G score of neighbor plus H value of neighbor. Okay, and if his neighbor is not in open set, the at last we have to write if neighbor is not in open set, then we have to return failure. So this one is your pseudo code for whatever I am writing for A star algorithm. Okay, so what we have to do, first we have to function create the construction to store the path. After that we have to assign which one is the start and G, and what is the value of G and H and start value. Then then you have to calculate the distance value, then which one you have to put the open and close list. Then we have to compare this less than equal to, and after that is not open list, then resolve. Okay, so please try once this algorithm, and before writing a style algorithm, just go through the disaster algorithm. If you know the disaster algorithm how to code, then very easy to write this code. Okay, please do this. ऑफ जैसे ये इन्वायरमेंट है, उसको तुम ऐसा सिस्टम बनाओ जिस इन्वायरमेंट को रैशनल लेवल पे, रैशनल मतलब तो किसी को जो बाउंडेड नहीं है, फिर रशियन दुनिया फॉलोइंग वीडियो कुछ क्वेश्चन पीडी पूछिए, कुछ क्वेश्चन जब मान लो ये कैलकुलेटर है बस समीकरण क्यों बनाएगा, पढ़ाई करो मार्क्स लाओ तभी वो अपने रिजल्ट में कॉल आएगा। बाकी अगर हेल्प चाहिए कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है सीरियस में पेपर को होने वाला है, पेपर को फिलहाल वाला सेशन हो गया कैसे सीरियस का तो सर अभी नेक्स्ट सेमिस्टर का ना ये जो तक वो हम उसमें कैसा रहता है कि कब एग्जाम भी ना 6 मंथ के बाद आपका ये खत्म हो जाता है, 6 मंथ तो उनका फॉलो करेंगे वे अभी तो मैंने ऐसा कुछ स्टार्ट नहीं किया उनका वाले का थोड़ा बहुत मैं नहीं करता हूं नहीं सबसे बेस्ट है लुसेंट ले लो, लुसेंट की बुक आती है जनरल नॉलेज के लिए, वो इसमें मॉडल हिस्ट्री ऐसे हिस्ट्री में सबकी करना है जैसे आप डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ वो टेबल बनाना है, फिर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ जनरल्स एंड वर्ड्स है कौन से और उन्होंने कौन से मॉडिफिकेशन को 100 करो वो सब पता होगा। अब मॉडल हिस्ट्री को पता तो प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हो, उसके बाद सीरीज में पहले कुछ पता नहीं हाउ द स्किल फिर आपका हो गया लोकल जो आती है नाम जो कि लगाने से बात वो सब हो गया। और जो लोकल कुछ नहीं मौसम कैसे चेंज करता है, मौसम डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट एरिया और सॉइल का नेचर को और ये सब पहले आती है हमने अच्छे से कुछ करंट अफेयर्स में तो आपको डिफरेंस और जो रहे करंट अफेयर्स करंट अफेयर्स की बाउंड्री की लेकिन अगर आपका एग्जाम सिंपल है तो पूरे एक साल का आता है प्लस पीछे का सिस्टम तो थोड़ा होगा लेकिन एक साल का ओके तो बेसिकली वो क्वेश्चन किसमें बिटवीन मई टू अक्टूबर नवंबर तक का रहता है, तो इसके लिए कोई भी आप फॉलो कर सकते हो। रिटर्न की आती है 20 रुपए 25 रुपीज में जनरल नॉलेज की बुक आती है पर मंथ वीकली आती है पर मंथ आती है तो आप उसे फॉलो करो। जीके का ऐसे में बोल रहा है ऐसे रिजल्ट नहीं है, वैसे रिजल्ट नहीं है आपको रिजल्ट अगर इफ यू वांट टू बी रिजल्ट टू गिव अस लेस टाइम देन यू हैव टू गो फॉर द हार्ड तो आप मान के आपको मिलियन करो ऐसा थोड़ी करंट अफेयर्स को नहीं करना है, करंट अफेयर्स याद नहीं किया ये वेरी रिवर्स है आप हर बार इसको स्क्रॉल करोगे अभी बताओ सपोज आपके पास की कंटेंट है ओके और आपके पास कॉपी है बहुत इजीली में एक्सेस दोनों है कॉपी है जब तक कोई करेगी तो ये समझना कैसे वो कैसे अब क्या है कि उसको मैं कैरी फॉरवर्ड और नहीं कर सकता जब आप हाइपर हो तो आप करते हैं अब वो डिस्कवर कॉलेज में उसको लिखना चाहिए लेकिन ऐसे तो क्योंकि जो उसने बहुत कम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं यहाँ पे पढ़ने नहीं पता नहीं तो ये सभी क्या है अभी ये इतना ज़्यादा ये सब मेरे इंग्लिश का बहुत कम है थोड़ा बहुत मीनिंग और याद रखिए अगर इंग्लिश ठीक है तो फिर आप यू आर नॉट फर्स्ट पेज की टॉप पे इसलिए एटलीस्ट थ्योरी और इंटरनल जो आपका होता है पिक्चर परसेप्शन का पिक्चर प्रोसेसिंग टेस्ट होगा, उसके बाद अगले दिन आपका कितने होगा स्पेसिंग का टास्क होता है। जैसे सिनेरियो देगा, ग्रुप में बांटा जाएगा, फिर फिजिकल होता है और फिर एक बार और ग्रुप कॉम्पिटिटिव टास्क होता है। 4 दिन मिलेगा और 5 का कोई जमा होगा और 16 आपका 7 डेज तो बस आपका जस्ट टॉप होगा और उस दिन बस सुना देगा किसका कितना रिजल्ट हुआ, बाकी को बोल देना सॉरी इंग्लिश वही दिक्कत आ जाए इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करने की ट्राई करना और इकोनॉमी आ जाता है इंग्लिश से इंप्रूव अगर वो फर्स्ट स्टेज होता है बाकी दिन करो तो ऑफिसर इंटेलिजेंट टेस्ट होता है ना उस दिन होता है तो आपका डे 1 नहीं है जैसे आउट ऑफ 100 है उसमें से मैक्सिमम को 20 स्कोर लेकर आना है उसी डे चलता है लेकिन सर उतना करना चाहिए ना मैं आपको सर एक बात बताऊं आप मेरे से बात कर रहे हो ठीक है आप मुझे को क्वेश्चन किए मैं आप आंसर नहीं दे पाऊंगा ऐसा हो जाता है वो इम्प्रूव कर क्योंकि आप फाइनली ईयर में आ गए ओके प्लीज ट्राई दिस Yeah, anyone please send me the attendance. Tirth, are you there? So, how many people are going for the placement? Placement top? So, why were you are there? Please go, Pragya Joshi. Sorry, Prag Joshi. You should go for the placement top. Okay. So don't worry. Today I can put everyone present. So these are the code. Okay. In the next class, we are going to study about the queen problem. So before starting your class, you should revise a queen problem. Then how can design a board and how can place the queen. 4 queen problem on a chessboard. Okay.